Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Blue Computing. Today I'm going to show you how to check whether your Gmail account is hacked or not. You can check who is watching your Gmail activities or using your Gmail account. To check those, go to your Gmail account through the browser by clicking myaccount.google.com. You have to log into your Gmail account through ID and password. You are watching this interface. Now click the Security tab. Go down, you will find your devices. Click on Manage All Devices. You see that the panel shows the login devices that you have logged in last previous days or months. You can check individual mobile and computer devices that you have logged in. To check your login device location, click on the device that you have locked in previous days or months. You can see here the device name, type, location, and login date. If you do not recognize this device, click Sign Out. And click the Sign Out to confirm. Now go to Other Devices. Click Find Devices. Click on Review Events. You can check here when and which types of devices you have logged in. Now you can check that you have successfully signed out of the device that you have logged in before. You can continue this step to other devices that you have logged into and sign out from that device. If you want to do this from your mobile, go to your mobile phone Gmail account. Now click on your picture from the right top. You can see the sign and information here. Go for your Google account. Click on the Security tab. Go down and press Manage All Devices. You can check here all of your devices that we have logged in before. To sign out from the unrecognized device, click Sign Out. In the next video, I will show you how to find your lost phone or how to find someone's phone location from a Gmail account. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.